In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove any products that you added to cart on Aliexpress app. So if you had added several products to cart, but you have changed your mind, you no longer need them, you can go ahead and remove them before you make your final decision or purchase. So for this, go ahead and log into your app. And once you are in your app, go ahead and tap on cart. You can see the cart option is down here. By tapping on it, it will show you the number of products that you added to cart, and you can see I have one here. Now to remove it from cart, I'll need to go ahead and subtract it here. You can see it is 1, so I'll just go ahead and reduce this by 1, and I have to confirm whether indeed I want to remove it. And if I go ahead and click on OK, now you can see my cart is empty. So that's how you remove products or items from cart on Aliexpress. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.